Hello friends, in this video we are going to fetch the data from the database. So let's start the tutorial. So previously we have already connected to the DB. So let's move to the code. PHP, where is my PHP code demo? I guess it's demo. Okay. Index.php, first we have connected to the database, right? After that, I am using select staff from users. In the users table, I am getting all the data, right? So here we retrieve the data in MySQL num rows, right? So here I have mentioned the ID, email ID, right? So you can put it over here. I want email ID, first name. If I put here first name, right? So let's go to the database. Exactly first name is there or not? Localhost HP myadmin. Here is the password. So we have which database we have added. Check. Database is Breeze. So let's open the Breeze database. Here we have users, name and email. Name is there. So we can add name, email, and we can put over here ID. So here we fetch email. You can put right here. You can pass ID. Here you can pass name. If you go and check, you'll get to know ID, first name, and email ID. Right? If I'm going to connect any of the table, suppose which have the more data, so let's put on the jet stream users. How many you know? Um, Laravel has many. Lara, right? I have the table which has the more database data. Lara, jet. I guess maybe. Where is jet project? If I saw and check, we have the lots of user here. So I'm going to use the db jet, right, which has the data. So I'm going to put the jet date over here. So if you go and check ID with name, all the data records are fetched, right? So you can see you need to write the query MySQL query connection, select star from each table, and MySQL row if length is greater than 0, then you are going to create a table, right? So here while loop for fetching the data, right? So result has the query, result has the query. It's querying the data from the database, right? Select from users, right? And it's fetch array. After fetching that array and saving it in the row, and we have to get the parameters within array row, ID, name, email. These are all the parameters. If you're going to print this one row, you will get to know which parameter we need to pull out. So it will show you ID, name, email, password, anything over here, right? This one, password, and here two-factor recovery codes, and remember to open everything. You can get it from here, right? So this is how you can retrieve the data from the database, and it's very easy. Okay, if you have any issue in that, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.